What's going on, y'all? I'm super excited because today I'm going to be unboxing some Kensui chrome plates. We have the gold and we have the regular chrome plates, and we have 2.5s and we have 5s. Now we have 2 pairs of each. One's going to be one color, one's going to be the other. So I'm super excited to open this up and see what it's all looking like. Now, if I had to guess, these are the 2.5s. They're in the smaller package. And they did organize it a little bit on the box. And what I think is pretty cool, just even before opening it, you can see that these are wrapped up in this kind of like yellow strap, and these are in the silver. So that can already tell me which one is which. But we're gonna be opening these up. I'm super excited to see how cute these little silver pieces are. So let's see, I'm opening this up right here, and then I'm gonna open this up. It's a little heavy. Oh snap, I thought this was gonna be the silver ones, but that is not the case. I am opening this up, and right out of the box, we get this cute little 2.5 pound plate. And obviously it shows you Kensui, shows you the name, it shows you how much it weighs, and we can see it there. Fits right in my hand. So this is pretty neat, actually. And of course, in the other box, well, in the same box, we can see that it has the matching pair set, which is great. So both of those come in that package. And now we have this other package, which can only assume that the silver ones, the regular chrome, are gonna be in there. So let's open that one up real quick. And we can see, let me get this open on this side too. They should be exactly the same. So, it's a tough box. Let's open this up right in here. If you've seen that last box, you know about this boxception coming up. We got the box in the box, which makes sense why it was bigger than the other one. And then now we gotta open up this box. So there we go. And right here it says 2.5 and the steel plates, chrome finish. All right, dope. And we got this one right here. Nice and smooth. And let's open this up. Here we go. These are smooth. I don't know. My personal preference so far, I think I'm liking this chrome, regular chrome finish. This is a 2.5, the first one that came out of the box. And got this one here, that matching set, that matching pair. These are pretty dope, both about the same. You can do that instant comparison between the regular chrome and the 2.5. And same height, same circumference. Actually, one does feel a little bit off. I think if anything, that's interesting. I think the golds are actually a little bit thinner than the regular chrome. Interesting enough, but they're calibrated. They're the same 2.5. So that's pretty interesting that they feel that way. But those are those regular plates here. And what we can notice too is, I did a review on the 10 pounders, and you can check that out in that video. But one thing that we notice is that with these 2.5s, we don't have a slit because they're so small. The size difference, you can see that it does not have that color indicating slit that the 10 pounders do, because the 10 pounders have that white slit on the side. The gold and the chrome 2.5s do not have that. So we're gonna open up, since we opened up the gold first, we're gonna open up the silver, or the regular chrome finished 5 pounders first. So here we go, let's open this up. There we go. If you are opening this up at home, please practice safety and caution. Do not be like me and do this barefoot in your toe socks in the middle of your living room. But here we go. Nice, we got some more boxception. A box in a box. And if we're lucky, we get another box in here too. So let's open this up. Got that going on. All right. Nice and smooth. Says 5 pounds on the box. Here we go. This is clean. This is dope. So just like we were talking about with the 2.5s, they do not have the indicator, but you can see the indicator on this 5 pound plate right here. Kensui, 5 pounds, you get to see it there. And we have this black slit indicator on the side, which I think is pretty dope. That way, just if you had all of them lined up, if you weren't able to see the diameter of, or the height rather, of the plate, you can definitely see, okay, the black ones are there. So these are the 5s, the white ones are the 10s. So this is pretty dope. And of course, we got that matching pair right down here. So this is pretty sick. I love this. And again, I don't know, I think I'm a little biased based on how these are looking, but I'm digging the chrome so far. Now, let's see what this gold is looking like. And I can already tell, I think we got a little bit of boxception coming up, but only one way to find out. So we're opening that one up there. Gonna be opening up this one here. Let's open this side right there. It's a little tough. Let's get this opened up here. Let's go right there. Bam, opening that up right there. I knew it. Boxception. So yeah, it's pretty cool. Just in case, let's say you were ordering a lot, it does tell you the distinction. So 5 pounds, steel, gold, chrome, finish. All right, this one just has one piece of tape for me to open up. This is dope. Oh, this is clean. And although I do think I prefer the regular chrome, this gold is still dope. This feels really nice. But just like the last ones, it has that black slit right in there. And let's see that matching piece. This is nice. So these are cool because, of course, if you're trying to increase weight, if you're doing an exercise on the barbell or whatever, even the vest, which is going to be pretty dope to test on. If you're not strong enough to go up in weight with 10s, with 5s, you can always do 2.5s and then go up that way. If you're starting with 5 pounds on the vest or whatever exercise you're doing and you're not strong enough to go an extra 5, that's where those 2.5s really go into play. And when it comes to even some smaller exercises, if you don't have a 2.5 pound dumbbell, you can use these, like how I used to do actually in high school. We would use these to just kind of like warm up and move these around or do lighter exercises that you can not have. If you don't find a, what's it called, a lighter dumbbell, you can definitely use those for. So, my personal opinion, I think these are pretty dope. These are really clean, really smooth, and I can't wait to actually use this in the workout. I'm definitely gonna be using this on the vest. So if you're interested to see a review on the vest, how that holds up, especially with all these weights, definitely tune in. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Videos like these so we can get more videos like these for the channel. And let me know in the comments below, which do you think are your favorite? Which can you see yourself using? Whether it's the 5s, the 2.5, and if you were going to purchase one of these, which ones would you go for? Would you go for the gold, or would you opt for that clean regular chrome finish like I would? I think I would, but I have both, so I'm definitely going to be using both. We'll see how that fares in the videos ahead, but I'm definitely interested to know what you think about that. Hopefully you enjoyed this video, and I will be catching you all in the next one. Stay tuned.